So guys, we are back in some Bee Swarm, but today I am going to just be telling you guys why I haven't been uploading any of these Bee Swarm videos. This is because I've been grinding for the fire mask off camera. I have most of the materials. I just need the enzymes and the strawberries now. So that's just letting you guys know. That's why I haven't been uploading too much, because I've been working as hard as I possibly can so I can get this fire mask. Nope. This was just a review video, and I will see you guys later. But just know that I might not be uploading any Bee Swarm for a few days. Bye.